Welcome back to What's Matter. Today we will be talking about the ductless mini split system, which I have installed in my bonus room. Have you ever had a room that was uncomfortable all the time? It was either too hot during the summer or too cold during the winter. Well, that was my experience. This is my bonus room that is over the garage, and we converted it into a bedroom. During the summer, it was very hot in here. During the winter, it was very cold. Before we decided to actually install this mini split system, I had our energy services team from Coweta-Fayette come out and take a look at my home as a whole system. We tried to do the air sealing and we moved some insulation around in the room, but it still was not comfortable. It was still either too hot or too cold. So after the energy audit, we decided to go ahead and install this mini split system. Now you do have the indoor unit, which is here on the wall, and then there's an outdoor unit outside as well. So with the mini split system, your question may be, why is it more efficient for you to have it in one of these bonus rooms or in the sunroom? One thing that I did do during the season was adjust my thermostat to adjust for this room. I would either turn it down really low during the summertime to try to cool it, or I would try to turn it up really hot in the winter to keep it warm. Now that I have installed this mini split system, I don't have to do that, which is also energy savings for me. Another great feature with the mini split duct system is it's quiet. You can't hear it versus your window unit. So if you do have a room in your home that is uncomfortable and you are looking for a way to make it more comfortable and more efficient, the mini split system may be an option for you. If you have any questions whether this is an option for you, please reach out to us and we can answer those questions for you. Thanks again for watching What's Matter. We'll see you next time.